You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Asian markets rose, following the positive trend on Wall Street, driven by moderate inflation data from the US, which eased concerns about the economy. However, tensions in trade relations and retaliatory tariffs continue to support high US Treasury bond yields. The euro remains stable after a recent decline caused by threats of new US tariffs, but it is supported by the potential improvement in the geopolitical situation. Gold has approached its record high level, while oil prices have stabilized after a 2% rise. On the currency market, the US dollar strengthened somewhat, supported by the rise in Treasury yields amid uncertainty related to the global trade war and its impact on inflation and economic growth in the US. The threat of additional tariffs on European Union goods from President Trump triggered warnings of possible retaliatory measures from key US trading partners, increasing volatility in the currency market. The dollar showed a slight strengthening against the yen, Swiss franc, euro, and British pound. Despite temporary relief from lower-than-expected inflation data for February in the US, long-term inflation and economic activity prospects remain uncertain due to the current US trade policy. Gold prices continue to rise, driven by ongoing uncertainty regarding tariffs and lower-than-expected US inflation data. These factors are increasing demand for safe haven assets like gold. Spot gold prices rose by 0.4%, and futures strengthened by 0.2%. Earlier this month, President Trump initiated a trade war by raising tariffs on Chinese goods to 20% and introducing new 25% duties on imports from Canada and Mexico, which are expected to boost inflation and economic uncertainty, keeping gold prices at high levels. In the cryptocurrency sector, Bitcoin dominance has reached new heights, reflecting reduced interest in altcoins. According to Matrixport, Bitcoin's share of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization is 61.2%, up from 54% in December. This growth indicates that the recent altcoin rally was short-lived and ended when strong U.S. employment data shifted market attention to a more hawkish monetary policy from the Federal Reserve. Although Bitcoin's price has dropped by about 20% since January, it still outperforms most other cryptocurrencies in terms of performance. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.